Hi guys, it's Candace Reese and I am about to take on a task, and the task at hand is organizing my makeup in my bathroom. I'm going to clean my bathroom and organize my makeup because I don't really have a space to put it and I didn't want to spend a lot of money. So I'm just gonna share with you guys how it turns out. Wish me luck. Okay guys, like I said, I had a crazy mess with my makeup everywhere. If you keep watching, you'll see how I transformed the craziness into the look that you see now. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so like I said, I need to clean my bathroom, and that's my baby's hair bow on the floor. But I need to clean my bathroom, and since I have to clean it, I'm going to go ahead and try to organize my makeup, because right now I am living in this little space because I try to let my husband have this area over here, but as you can see, I have taken over because that's actually my night shirt and probably my towel from doing my makeup this morning. So I need to get this together so that I'm not living out of a bag and this bag and then just leaving everything in the sink. It's horrible. And my counter space is a mess, don't judge me. Or my cabinet space is a mess, don't judge me. But I'm just sharing this with you guys because I am going to get this together real quick. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, so I stopped by the Dollar Tree. Like I said, I'm definitely on a budget. And I wanted to grab a few things that I may be able to use just to kind of keep my makeup and my bathroom items organized. So I got these two long containers. And Q-tips, cotton balls. My toothbrush is missing. I gotta get a new one. And I put my tea money. Okay, just a few items that I normally use on a regular. And then this has just a few things that we kind of use here and there. We kind of toss them in there. So yeah, I think I did pretty good for $7. I think I did a pretty good job. Hopefully I can keep my makeup all organized. We usually put Q-tips and cotton balls, which were out. I'll get some more today. And just a few like my everyday items right up there.